Holy shit. So I was doing a question and answer a couple of weeks ago, and during that question and answer I was packing up these here jeans. These jeans. I was packing them up to send them off to Edwin from Dutch Denim Repair. You see, they were in some serious need of some TLC. They were in need of that because I don't practice what I preach, and I tore the arse out of them because I didn't get them repaired before they really needed to get repaired. This is embarrassing, but just like, look at this. That's pretty bad, right? The crotch was completely blown out, and there was a huge rip, this, because I'd caught it on my saddle when I was getting off my bike. And then there were another couple of bits that were just worn through from day-to-day use. But before we take a look at what Edwin did to my jeans, let's take a look at how he did it.
Here it is. Crotch completely blown out all the way to the back pocket. Great pair. I'm gonna take care of them. This is the first layer we put into the repairs when they're not been repaired before. They're washed, they're clean, so we have fresh cotton we can weave into new threads.
Okay, so this is pretty much an unboxing first impressions video because, yeah, you saw me open the box. Oh, there's a note. Hi Matt, it was a very cool project. Hope you'll like the results. Okay, I'm glad you had fun with it. I thought I was sending you a horror. A very big Selvedge Denim keychain. Cool. Right, but let's have a look at the results. The first thing I want to check out, of course, is how he repaired that back rip. I mean, literally, the back rip was from the crotch right the way over, like 4/5 of the way over the back leg. And really, if I hadn't known that it was there, and on just a cursory glance, I would have no idea that there was ever a tear like that. This is incredible, really. He's managed to match the thread color almost perfectly to the fades that I had before. I mean, really, he seems to have changed the thread color in towards the crotch and out towards the leg, where the outside of the leg's a little bit darker. And then the other really bad part was the crotch. And again, the results are pretty much, they're astonishing. This was completely disintegrated, completely gone. Unless you really look, you'd never be able to tell that there was any problems, any hole there ever. This really is the only way to repair your Selvedge Denim jeans. Okay, I see here as well that he's done a little bit of repair work down on the bottom of the right hand pocket. I didn't even realize that there was a problem there. And there was also a rip on the inside of the right leg, where like just the upper part of my my honeycombs at the back. You can see this a little bit more because there is this stark white line from the honeycombs right against a very dark part of the denim. So it's a very high contrast fade there. But still, it's, again, at a glance, you would never notice that there was a problem. Seriously, this is so good. I should have had a look at this before, actually. On the inside, of course, naturally, you can see you see much more of what Edwin's actually done to repair these jeans. This must have been a lot of work, and that is super appreciated, mate, really. There's another thing about this that I'll say before trying them on. One thing about the patching problem. If somebody doesn't really know what they're doing when it comes to repairing jeans or whatever else, actually, they tend to like pull the two sides of the fabric together, then put the patch in the back. But then there's no fabric that's been added back into it. And that just means that the jeans don't sit properly anymore. I mean, if Edwin had done that, he'd have pulled the two sides of this rip together, and then he'd have sewed over the top of it. But then the back side of these jeans would be like an inch short or something. That's just not going to sit well on the body. So again, I just keep coming back to this idea that this is the only way that you should repair your jeans. Yeah, there's the shishiko and all of that kind of stuff, but if you can afford that, you can probably just afford to buy yourself a new pair of jeans. No, don't do that. That's the whole point of these, is that they should be as worn as possible. Okay, I'm going to try these on, and I haven't worn these in 2 years, if not longer. Maybe longer, 3 years. I wonder if they still fit. Only one way to find out. It's weird how comfortable I am getting changed in front of you guys these days. I also should have got Edwin to take a few inches off the bottom. I never got round to getting these hemmed for whatever reason, and they really are a bit too long. But the good news is they still fit, which means that, well, I've definitely not got any thinner over the last 4 years, but 3 years, 4 years. But I haven't got any fatter either. That's good. This looks weird, right? I do notice that they are a little bit stiffer in the crotch. Don't notice that across the back of the leg, but yeah, after I've worn these for a couple of days, after I've had, I don't know, like a spinner on the bike, then they're gonna feel absolutely perfect. They're gonna feel like new. Oh yeah, and I think I forgot to mention, these are a pair of Benzac Denim Developers BDD 6 something or other. I can't remember. They're in the special #1 fabric though, that I do remember, because that was the first proprietary denim that Leonard had made. They are from the Made in Japan line. They're amazing jeans. Okay, I had to take them off again because I've got to film some close-ups and B-roll of the repairs, which I guess you guys have seen already because you've watched the video this far, or at least I hope you've watched the video this far. If you haven't watched the video this far, then this is falling on deaf ears anyway. But, right, okay, back to the jeans. Stay on topic, Matt. Edwin, I am incredibly impressed at the level of craftsmanship and skill that you have demonstrated in repairing my jeans. This is fantastic. I am, full disclosure for everybody out there, Edwin and I worked on this. We swapped the cost of these repairs for this video. So yeah, I got it for free, or for the cost of filming the video. But for what you're getting, for what he does, the prices are very, very reasonable. And the way that he's done it is going to make it's just going to make your jeans wearable for the long run. And then obviously the longer you can wear your jeans, the sick the fades are going to be. So for this, it's really, really worth it. In the future, if I ever actually wear a pair of jeans for long enough to get this level of damage, of wear, not really damage, of wear, then I am certainly going to send them off to Edwin. It makes it super easy as well. All you have to do is you order and he sends you the shipping label. You just put them in a box, ship them, he repairs them, ships them back. Oh yeah, he also does a bunch of different alterations and takes in waists and tapers legs and things, all while maintaining the Selvedge ID down at the bottom of the pant leg, and all on the right machines, matches the thread color, all of that good stuff. And before I leave you for what is actually going to be an extended period of time, I wanted to let you guys know, I mean, I think if you've been watching the channel for a little while, then you'll know that we've been expecting our first child. And yesterday, at around noon, she arrived. She is, I mean, I think all fathers probably think this, but she is the most adorable, beautiful thing that I have ever laid my eyes on. I'm welling up inside just telling you that it was the most incredible experience I've had in my entire life, seeing her come into this world. My wife did an incredible job. She was a champion. Yeah, I'm really lost for words about the work and the strength that she showed during the birth. And yeah, she's here, and that's why you're not going to be seeing me for a few weeks, because I'm just going to have some family time. Yeah, okay, I'm going to fall back into old scripts. I hope everybody, oh no, before that, yeah, down below there's the link to Edwin's website where you can book a repair. As I said, very, very recommended. Also down there is the sales list in case you're really warm through a pair of your jeans, they're unwearable anymore, then yeah, you can jump down below and you can see some recommended stores, you can get some stuff, you can find some bargains on there as well. It's worth checking out. There's the No News Good News newsletter, that's fun to sign up to. What else is down there? There's the like and subscribe button, but you know what to do with that. And now I can say Guys, I hope everybody is happy and healthy out there. Please take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and I will see you in a few weeks. Oh yeah, and in case anybody's wondering what the fuck I'm doing here, filming a vlog and not with my wife and child, the corona rules and regulations mean that there are very, very tight visiting hours, so I am stuck at home and kind of going out of my mind, so I have to do something. And this is something that I really enjoy doing, so I'm doing this.